Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can unlock the record, how you can unlock the data on the Intelius website. For that, you have to pay the small deposit. So let's get this started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Intelius website, and after that, as you can see, the website is here. You have to open the website, and after opening the website, you have to go to the phone section, and then you have to provide the phone number. As you can see in the phone section, you have to provide the phone number, and you have to click on the search, and you will get the data according to your phone number like this. As you can see, I have searched this one. For getting these all information like the name, photos, and these all things, I need to pay the bit of amount, as you can see, which is called $4.99. I need to pay this. If you want to get the information, you have to pay this amount. So after paying this amount, you will be able to get these all details. So as you can see, how you can do that, has an option for the get my report. You have to click on that. As you can see, you can pay the method whatever you select. I'm going to click on the get my report, and after clicking on the get my report, you have to provide the payment details, and after providing the payment details, the payment will be charged from your debit card, and you will be able to see that information. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can unlock the information on the Intelius website. So see you guys in the next video.